When you are producing a TV or film project, there's one thing that causes most legal issues or problems. Do you know what that is? My name is James Pacitti, and I have been an entertainment attorney and production counsel for over 15 years, so I answer questions like this all the time. One of the most common reasons that an independent television or film project fails is a lack of funding. And what I mean by that is that producers did not properly budget for one or more aspects of the project. One of the most common aspects that producers fail to budget for, in my experience, is the deliverables. The deliverables are the materials that have to be provided to a distributor by producers in order to have the project distributed. However, deliverables can be rather expensive, and they're also incredibly time-consuming. So either producers have to figure out themselves, or they have to hire people. But often producers did not include that in the budget and find themselves in the position of having developed the project, obtained financing for the project, and produce the project, and even have a potential distribution deal available, but need to raise more money. And that is not always easy. So if producers in that situation cannot raise more money to pay for the deliverables, they will not be able to distribute their project. This is another example of why it's important for producers to involve a production attorney from the outset. Production attorney can advise producers of such issues as the need for deliverables and the expense of paying for them. If producers obtain a production attorney from the outset, issues of insufficient funds for deliverables and other matters that come up during the course of production that producers may not be familiar with based upon perhaps a lack of experience, an experienced production attorney can advise them about, can warn them about, prepare them for, and protect them from such disasters occurring. The legal implications for producers if they're unable to complete their film due to insufficient financing obviously can be very significant. The production raised money from third parties, and depending on the nature of those documents, the representations and warranties contained in those documents, producers may find themselves in legal hot water. If you want to know more about this, or you have any other entertainment law or production legal questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. We will be happy to provide you with more information.